Hello everyone, this is Shruti Mishra and welcome to ET Auto Farm Equipment Summit 2022. We are joined by Mr. Deepak Shetty, MD and CEO of JCB India. Hello sir, welcome to the event.
Thank you very much for having me here, Shruti. Thanks a lot.
So sir, I'll quickly start with the sales because in 2018 we touched the peak sales and now with the n number of announcements that are coming from the government. Do you think that we will be able to achieve that kind of sales in this record sales in this year itself?
No, I think looking at the numbers, the answer certainly is no. But you are very right that a lot of announcements have been made recently, and I firmly believe that the challenges with the pandemic had thrown on everybody, including investments, everything. I think we are now coming out of it very strongly. The lead indicators that we have in the economy are pointing out very positively. We have the highest collections from GST point of view, we have highest collections from the toll point of view, and I'm sure all this money will be invested in infrastructure. The budget which we had in February also for the first time had massive investments from the infrastructure expenditure point of view. So I'm very positive, and maybe not this year, but I'm sure days are not far where we will beat the 2018 numbers.
Absolutely, sir. So apart from this case trend, this electrification trend, sir, another interesting trend that we are seeing in the construction equipment sector is the miniaturization trend. We are slowly moving towards a smaller HP machines. So, sir, if you have to highlight that, what are the top three trends that are pushing, top three factors that are actually pushing this trend ahead?
I think there are two ways that we should look at it. One is that the cost of the machine is going up. So obviously, people are looking at smaller machines, the cost goes down. But having said that, I think there's a lot of technology which is coming in. What was earlier delivered by a 74 kilowatt machine or a 74 horsepower machine or a 58, today we are able to deliver the same with a 38. So I think the technology is helping us. The second point, sorry, which is important is where is the investment taking place? It's going granular, it is going rural. If you look at projects like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, they are going more into rural areas. So you can't have the bigger machines. You have the smaller machines, you have the machines on wheels, and that is why many people ask me that globally the markets have moved towards the tracked equipment. But India, it is on wheel machines. I'm saying that it is going to continue on wheel machines because the rural India needs support. Rural India needs infrastructure. The Jal Se Nal project, again, is going into rural areas. So because of the limitations that we have from the mobility point of view, people are looking for more smaller and smaller machines, but smaller machines delivering the same level of performance.
Absolutely, sir. So, and lastly, sir, if you have to highlight the top three tailwinds, which will accelerate the sales in the industry. So, beyond government push, what are the top three tailwinds for the industry in the near term?
I think COVID has taught us how to be frugal. I think it is going to create a huge cost advantage that we have. And that is going to open more and more global markets for us. As I was mentioning earlier, today the construction equipment industry in India is proudly exporting to more than 125 countries around the world. So it is not that you produce only for the Indian market, you produce for the global market. Second is, as we come out of this high inflationary cycle, particularly from the commodities point of view, it's a huge opportunity for us that we can compete at the global level and we can supply more. Third is, during this whole challenge that we face from the inflation point of view, the cost of machine went up, because of which customers also were not buying new machines. They were more happy with the old machines. But slowly and steadily, what has happened in the industry is the rental rates have gone up. And also, as the commodity prices cool down with what's happening globally, I think new machines will become more affordable. And that will help further expand the market. And the last, we spoke about it, I think rather than using specific machines for specific applications, the industry is moving towards where the machines will be used as tool carriers. And that will further expand the machine. And it will also increase the mechanization. The last point which I am very bullish about, and that is, I think this whole summit is about, is farm equipment. I feel days are not far away where we will see massive amount of mechanization taking place in the farm sector and more use of machines, which today are looked at as construction equipment, but tomorrow they will help move the bales around, they will help do the silaging, and all these farm applications will be done by this machine. So I feel that these are the 3 or 4 big tailwinds that we have in front of us, which will help drive the market, expand the market, and create more applications where the machines can be used.
We can clearly say that golden days are ahead for construction
Absolutely,
equipment.
I'm always positive, and I firmly believe that more positive days are in front of us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.